also. So I just want to pay the gratitude. First of all, I want to pay gratitude to my seniors and mentors for giving me the platform on Teacher platform. So I want to share my PPT first. So as we are talking about digital library, so today I'm going to tell you about the customized digital library, how we can create a customized digital library without any software, right? So first we should know about what is digital library. Digital libraries consist of a collection of digital resources that may have existed only in digital form or have been converted from another form to digital. As we know, it can be in PDF, text, videos, anything. And these resources are generally stored in a broad range of formats and can be accessed by users over a computer network. So first of all, this question arises in our mind that why do we need digital library? So as you can now in this pandemic, the technology is the need of the hour. So digital libraries give access to multiple contents with the potentially infinite number of resources and selections at hand. The major limitation of traditional libraries is it actually takes a lot of physical space and books consume a lot of it, and people often have to walk around, search for a particular material. So what are the advantages of digital or virtual library, you can say? So first is a connection with technology, you can say, and the second one is learning through playing. No physical boundaries are there. Unlimited collection and multiple access is there. Anyone can access these resources because it is digitally available 24/7. Preservation and conservation is there because it's on the cloud, and round availability, 24/7 availability is there. So yes, and as we know about the traditional library and digital library, the differences, like I just want to focus it on this, like we can see that what are the difference between the traditional and digital library. As you can see, right side is the digital library, unlimited access. You can have a digital form. You can have it in multimedia, and no space constraint is there. So teachers, without wasting much more time, let's get into the hands-on. So yes. So I request all the teachers to please open your Google Slides. I'll also share the practical with you. 1 minute. So I'm opening my Google Slides on the Google. We have to open Google, and then what we have to write, we have to open Google Slides on this. So we will make a customized digital library on Google Slides, and we will click on this. Then we will log in with our Gmail account. Yes. So we will go to Google Slides. 1 minute. Yes. We will go to Google Slides login, and then we will log in with Gmail account. And we will click, when we log in with our Gmail account, we will get these options as if you have already done with Google Slides. So we have to click on blank presentation. So you will click on blank presentation. So as you can see, by default, we have the title presentation, right? So we want to make a Google slide, we want to make a customized digital library. So we will convert it to blank slide. We will convert it to blank slide. So this is our blank slide. Okay. So I'll show you in, yes, this one. 1 minute. I've already done with this. Sorry. Yes. So in this, we will have a blank slide. So first and the foremost thing is we have to insert a background for our digital library. So there is a background option over here. You can see, you will click on the background and you have an image over here. You have to choose the image. click on this, and then you have different options over here: upload, camera, buy URL, photos, Google Drive, Google image search. So if we want to take it from Google, so definitely we will click on this and we will write wall and floor background because we want it for library. So we will get a lot of options over here. See, you can have multiple options over here. So you can take any option from this and you can insert it like this. So the advantage of inserting the background from here is this, like, you know, it will not move, you know, if someone tries to move this background, it will not move, it will stick into your slide. So first thing is this, and second thing is we need a bookshelf for this. So we have to go to insert, image, and then search on the web, right? 1 minute. So we will search on the web, transparent bookshelf, because we want a bookshelf which don't have the books so that we can place our books. So we can have the transparent bookshelf. You can take it from here. You can insert it. Or if you don't want, I have my bookshelf ready here, like I took it from Google. So 1 minute. Yes. So I can take my bookshelf from here. Yes, so I can take my bookshelf from here. So I will place it here. And then what I have to do, the next step is I have to insert the books, cover pages of the books on which I will insert the links. So I want the book cover pages. So I'll search the book cover pages. Suppose you want, see, in the digital library, you have a lot of different books are there. It can be story books, it can be magazines, it can be generals, it can be encyclopedia. So I'm searching up story book, suppose, Panchtantra. It's like very popular book, Panchtantra Ki Kahani, something. Yes. So I can get over here, or otherwise you can get it from Google if you will not find the images over here. So you can go to Google and you can find out here. Right? So you can have the image over here. Go to images. You can have the cover page of the book. As creative as you want, you can have it. So you can copy this image, go back to your Google Slides and paste it. Yes, and you can resize it according to your frame. Resize it like this. So now I'm going to tell you that how you can insert your video with the cover page. Like I have this Panchtantra. So I want the Panchtantra read aloud book. So how I can insert a link onto this and how I can create a book. So I will go to YouTube. I will go to YouTube and then I'll find out the Panchtantra story. You can search for read aloud Panchtantra. Yes. I've already searched on this like this. Yeah. I've already searched on this. So what you can do, as you know that how you can take a link from here, you have to click on share. When you click on share, you get a link over here. See, you can get a link. You have to copy this link. You have to go back again to your Google Slides. What you have to do, this is the main point, teachers. What you have to do, see, there is a hyperlink. Hyperlink tool is there. You can see the here, insert link tool is there. You have to click on this. You have to just paste over here. How you will paste it? Control V is the shortcut key. You can paste with that and then apply. So when you apply, this book is connected to this link. And when you click on this link, this book, when you click on this book cover page, this link will open. So this is the way to connect to a video, right? I hope you are understanding, sir. Any inputs?
So yeah, ma'am. Sipra ma'am has just shared one question. So
Yes.
here, if we want to choose the book class wise and reference books, and the storybooks also on different slides. How can we link it?
Okay. So if you want, Shipra ma'am, hello ma'am, if you want books on different subjects, then you have to search for it, ma'am, on Google. It's your choice whether you want to download it in PDF or you want a link or you want a video. Then you can make a cover page of it, ma'am, and then you can link it.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, can you quickly repeat the process of hyperlink? Can you just quickly show where
Yeah, sure.
they can find a hyperlink? And
Sure. So we have just, we took the cover page of the book, right? The second step is how we will create a hyperlink. This is the main thing. So as you see there, these are the tools over here. So this is the link tool over here. We have to click on this. We have to just paste the link of the YouTube video over here and then apply. That's it you have to do. What you have to do, you have to go to your YouTube. As you know, you get the link from here. Whenever you, if you want some link of the video, you can copy it and simple, you can come over here. 1 minute. One second. You can come over here and you can paste it here. You can paste it and apply it. Simple. This you have to do. Yeah. So next thing I will tell you how you can insert your PDFs. Suppose you have PDF of the books and all, like Shipra ma'am asked us that how we will categorize according to the classes. So you can categorize, ma'am, if you want class 1, you can insert a PDF of the class 1. I'll tell you how you can insert a PDF of particular thing. So 1 minute. So I'll take this first children's encyclopedia cover page and then yes. So I have the PDF of this. So you can have a link of the PDF or whether you have to download it. So first I'll tell you how you can insert a link of the PDF, right? So 1 minute. Yes. It's open over here. Yes. Okay. So what we can do, I'll remove the link first for your reference. Yes. So how I can include a PDF, I have to select this cover page. I have to first search the PDF of this encyclopedia. So I'll go to the PDF. So this is the PDF. I have found it on the net. So what I have to do, I have to just copy this link. I have to just copy 1 minute. I have to just copy this link and then I'll come over here and then again I'll select insert link and then I have to just paste it in this input box, in this box and apply. So this PDF is attached to this. How we can check out, like if you will present it, like you can see that when you click on this PDF will open. See, you can see the PDF is open. First Children's Encyclopedia. You can download it or you can attach the link also. So if you will download it, you have to keep in this thing, you have to keep this thing in your mind, teachers, that you have to upload it on Google Drive first and then you can attach the link. That I'll also tell you. So I have told you how to insert a video and how to insert a PDF. So sir, any questions regarding that? Anuj sir?
Yes, ma'am. So there are a few questions. Let me share one by one. So Donna shared that in using PDF or link without permission or copyright, will not be affected. Is there any issue regarding that?
Yes, sir. I was just concerned about that thing only. So what you can do, you can show the reference. You can give the credit to that person. So that will not harm the copyrighted thing. If we are taking a copyrighted thing, first of all, we should know that if we are taking a copyrighted thing, we should give the credit to that person. You can mention it over here that it is by whom or something like that, right?
Okay, ma'am. Vandana ma'am has asked that, is there any capacity of uploading the content?
See, Vandana ma'am, if you are uploading it on Google Drive, so definitely there is a capacity of a cloud system also. There is a capacity, but like you can have a lot of data on it. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Lumna ma'am has asked that can you just repeat what to do with the Google Drive? Can you just quickly repeat what you have just mentioned with the Google?
Okay. Oh, that I'm going to tell, ma'am. That I'm going to tell you. That now I'm going to tell you about how to insert a audio file that is uploaded. I have uploaded in Google Drive.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Shipra asked that if YouTube video we are taking there are ads also, how we can remove the ads? Is it possible to remove?
Very good question. Very good question. So what we can do in this, Shipra ma'am, I appreciate your question. So you can trim it, ma'am. There are some trimmers, like you can have video cutter trimmer is there. That is absolutely free. You can download that video cutter trimmer. Anuj sir, you can write it in the chat box. That is video cutter trimmer, right?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, so that you can download, and Shipra ma'am, you can trim it and you can join it. And then you can upload it on Google Drive, and then you can use that link it, you can attach that link it on cover page, right?
And can you like repeat the mentioning credits for the copyright issue? Can you just quickly repeat it?
Okay, if you are taking any copyrighted thing, then we can mention the credits over here. Over here, you can mention the credits that it is we took from this source, or we took from that source, right?
Sure.
Yeah. So you can have your Nearpods, like if you have learned about Nearpods links and all Nearpods lesson plans, you can attach your Nearpods lesson plans also. Here, you can make the cover page of that, like so many maths Nearpods lessons you have made. You can link that Nearpods lesson plans or word ball games or something like that with the cover pages. You can have an activity book and you can have the word ball games. Attach it, the link, and then you can over here in the digital library. Yes. So Anuj sir, should I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So next thing I want to tell you, teachers, about how we can add the audio. See, there are two ways to add the audio. We can add the audio with the help of insert audio from here, or we can have the audio of a podcast. Podcast link we can have. So what we can have, suppose I am attaching an audio of Ruskin Bond, this book, the Blue Umbrella. So I have the cover page of this. So I've already downloaded the audio of this, MP3 of this, right? So I've already downloaded the MP3 and I have uploaded in the Google Drive. How will I upload it? Like I'll go back, yes. And then you can see 3 lines over here. You can see over here, Google Drive option is here, right? So how you can upload your things on Google Drive? You have to click on Google Drive. It is opening. So what you can do, you can upload your things. You can click on new. When you click on new, you can upload your file, right? You can upload your file. So I can upload my MP3 on this, or MP4 on this, or PDF on this, right? So I have the Blue Umbrella, yes. 1 minute. It's already there. Yeah, this one. I've already uploaded this file. What we have to do, this is already in Google Drive. So what we can do, how we can take a link from here. So you have to click on it. You have to right click. What you have to do, you have to click on this. You have to right click, get link. Right click, get link. Okay. While taking a link, you have to remove the restricted, restrictions and all. You have to click on anyone with the link. So you will get this link, copy this link, then go back to your digital library. So yes. Go back to your digital library, then you got the link, and then what you have to do, this I'm telling how you can take a link from the Google Drive. So what you have to do, you have to just click on this link button, and then you have to just paste it over here and then apply it. So this Google Drive link is attached to this. So when we will run it, so it will work. As you can see, it will open this MP3. 1 minute, it's opening. And you can listen to the sound.
Near, it would pick up the umbrella again and send it bouncing.
So it will work like a podcast. Okay. Okay. So have you understood this? How we can attach an MP3 to the cover page?
Teacher, yeah, if you are able to understand till here, but there are, ma'am, some question. Can I share quickly?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so Prachi, ma'am, just ask a simple question. Like this, we can have various slides for depository in one account itself.
Right. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sonali, ma'am, has asked that do we have any ready-made digital library?
Sonali, ma'am, we have a lot of softwares through which there are digital libraries over there, but that are not paid, basically. All paid, mostly paid. Some features are free, but some mostly paid features. So I thought with the idea that why don't we make our own customized digital library?
Yeah. And Prachi, ma'am, had just asked that do we have to share our Google Drive if we share link from there?
Do we have to share what, sir?
Google Drive.
Google Drive with whom?
I think with students. So I think ma'am was asking
No.
to share a Google. Yeah.
We need not to share our Google Drive link, Google Drive with anyone. We are just accessing from Google Drive. And we are we are just removing the restriction from there so that anybody can access it. They can't edit it, ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am. That's helpful, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, go ahead.
Right. So what we can do, we have done with the video, we have done with the PDF, and we have done with the MP3. So I hope no more questions or no more queries regarding this. So yes.
Yeah, ma'am. No query. You can go ahead.
Okay, sir. So what we can do, we have to make it more interactive. So it's for students. So I think isko thoda decorate karna to banta hai. So we have to go to Google, and then what we can do, we will decorate more. 1 minute. We will go over here and we will open Google. And I'll tell you one more thing. It's a very nice thing. Without paying anything, you can remove the backgrounds of the pictures. So I'll write reading book. I want some emojis, bitmojis, you can say. Reading book, bitmoji. So you can have multiple bitmojis, and this looks really great in your, things, whatever for class you're making, it look more engaging and interactive. So you can take it and you can save it first. So we have the drawback is this, like we have the background over here. So if you will paste it, the background will also come. 1 minute. So if you will paste it, the background will also come. How we can remove the background? So there is a website like Remove BG. Remove BG. So this is a free website for removing your backgrounds. Right? So what you have to do, 1 minute. You can save it in your system, this Bitmoji. You can save it in downloads folder, wherever you want to save it. And then, yes, you can go to your Remove BG, upload your image. And we have in the downloads folder, yes. So we can have this image, open it. So in few seconds, the background is removed. So you can download it. Okay. So as you know, when you download, it goes to the downloads folder. So when we will go again to our digital library and then insert image, then we will go to upload from computer because it's already in our system. So we will go to uploads, and this is our without background image. So you can have here, yes, like this. You can arrange it and you can make it more beautiful. So likewise, I took some of the Bitmojis and I made this digital library of mine. So I took the carpet also. Yes, I can order it to back, send to back. Yes, like this. And I took this Bitmoji also from the Bitmoji, and I have removed the background, like I told you from remove BG. Okay, and yes, I can insert this Bitmoji also because this looks great. I mean, so yes, and I can insert one more bookshelf. Yes, to make it more interactive, look good. Yeah. So how is it looking? I hope it's good. Yeah, teachers. So you can label it also. You can insert your text box. You can insert your shape over here, and you can write my own digital library or my digital library, right? How you can write? You have to make a shape. You can right click, edit text. What you have to do? You have to take a shape from here. Or you can write, go to insert, shape. You can take any shape of your choice. You can drag it over here. You can right click, edit text, right? You can write my e-library, right? 1 minute. Right. So we can center align it and we can make it bold. Yeah. So, yes. And the one more thing we can include our book reviews also. So something like if we have inserted a lot of books over here, so we can insert a book review also. So I'll insert a call out first for that. So I'll insert a call out. What I have to do, I'll go to insert image, search the web, and I want a call out for this. Right? When you write call out, it will show you a lot of call outs over here. So you can take any call out of your choice. Oh, 1 minute. Yes, I think this is fine. Yes. This call out or different call outs you can have. So I have this call out. So I'll copy this. Right? So what I can do, how I can make a book review form. As you know that you have done with the Google Forms, and I think that all of you know about the Google Forms. So I have attached here the Google form. How I have attached? Like 1 minute, I'll show you first my Google form. Anuj sir, Google form is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as you can see, this Google form is there in which I have written book review heading, name of the book, name of the author. These are compulsory fields. So it's asterisk is coming. So favorite character and summary of the book. So you can submit it. The students can submit it and they can write the book review. So you can add this. You know that how to take the link of this, right? So 1 minute. Yeah. So you can attach the link over here. What you have to do, you have to select the text as we did earlier. You have to select the text. You have to go to link and then you can paste the link over here and then apply. So you can attach your book review here also. Right? Any questions?
So yeah, ma'am, there are few questions. Okay, so firstly, they said really interesting, very good, wonderful. This will be like engaging for the kids as well, quite interesting for them. So thank you, ma'am, for creating such a beautiful presentation. Sipra ma'am has asked that can we put digital clock also? Is it possible to add digital?
I'm coming on that. Yes, yes, ma'am. You are actually reading my mind. So what you can do, ma'am, you can go to Google. You want digital clock? I will give you a digital GIF clock, right? Digital clock, GIF. Okay, when you click on GIF, you will get a lot of digital clocks. But I'll write not digital clock exactly. I'll write clock. Okay, so you will get a lot of digital clocks over here. See, this is a digital clock, but you have to see whether you what type of you want, like, you know. So like this. So one thing, teachers, if you will copy this and paste it, it will not work. What we have to do, we have to save it, save image as, and then we have to save it wherever you want to save. And then we will go on in our Google Slides. Yes. And then otherwise you can have it from here also, like insert and image and search the web. And you can have digital clock GIF. So you can have digital clock from here also, yeah. See, I took this one and you can insert. So this is your digital clock, ma'am. You can have it, right? It's moving. You can have your digital clock like this. You can resize it and you can place it and you can make it beautiful as much as you want. Right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
So I think, okay. So one of the teacher has asked for how can we show how to create a Google form. So ma'am, we already conducted many sessions on Google Forms. So I'm just sharing our YouTube page link. So you can just click on the link and search for the Google Forms classes. You will be able to find many classes on Google Form. We have started from basics and went to intermediate level. So you can just check it out, ma'am. And just as ma'am shared that the form haven't been created here on the Google slide. It has pre-created by the ma'am, and she just like copy the link from there and paste it as she has done before for the video and the audio thing. So the same process will be
One last thing I want to tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I?
Yeah, sure.
Teachers, what you can do, this is not the, you will not share the, how you will share with your students or your peers. So you have to download it in PDF. So when you will download it in PDF, it will work. When you will click on PDF, it will, the links will also work. So when you will open these PDFs, 1 minute. Oh yes, where are my PDF? Anuj, my PDF is visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Now it's visible, yes. So see, the links are working in PDF also. So when you click on the cover page, your Panch Tantra will open, your story will open, right? And 1 minute.
पर उसके लालच में उसे
And when you click on the encyclopedia, the PDF will open. And when you click on your MP3, you can listen to your story. Your children can listen to the story and they can have fun in this. So you can listen, right? And you can, your children can fill the book review also here. So please don't forget that whenever you have done with your interactive, beautiful digital library, please convert it to PDF in the last, right? So I hope you like this session and this is useful to you people. So
yeah. That's great, ma'am. So some other session, like teachers has shared that wonderful session. Thanks, ma'am. Quite interesting. Very interesting missing session. But there are also some questions, ma'am. So I'll share them one by one. Before that, allow me to run our second poll for today, which is basically understanding after the session, how comfortable you feel now after the session, and how would you rate our today's session as well. So please do participate and let us know. Ma'am, I'll share the question one by one. Okay. So there is a question, can a single book, okay, Kriti ma'am, can a single book have a hyperlink and a link for review as well?
Can a single book cover page, you mean to say? Can be a hyperlink, yes. And can be a Google form, can't be. Because for one with one thing you can't have, you should have the caption under it. You can attach the Google form under that thing, under that cover page.
Great, ma'am. Okay. So Kriti ma'am also asks for like, will Canva be better or Google Slide? Which one will be better, or what can be the useful?
Canva is good. Canva is good. You can be creative in Canva, but like I think Google Slides is better. You can have a Google Drive access. You can have a lot of Google. All the features of the Google have access in this Google Slides. So Canva is better, but like I think Google Slides is far better.
Thanks, ma'am. Ma'am, can you quickly explain the process of converting the slide into PDF? One of the
Sure. Yes. So what we have to do, this is simple. Like I have only, suppose I'll delete this one. I'll delete all. Yes, I have this. So what we have to do, we have to go to file, simple. We have to go to file, 1 minute. We have to go to file and then download and then PDF. See, there are different formats are coming. So you have to click on PDF. If you will convert it to JPG, the links will not work. If you will convert it to PNG, the links will not work. So you have to convert it to PDF, the links will definitely work. So you can have the digital library of PDF and then you can share with your students. I hope it's clear. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Jana ma'am also asked, can we share the library as in the form of image?
Yes, ma'am, you can share the library in the form of image if you don't want the links to work. If you want your links to work, then you have to download it in PDF, ma'am. Because in PNG, it will not work, ma'am. JPG, it will not work. The links will not work, ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am. So Krishna ma'am, yes, it should be digital library. By mistake, it has mentioned a book creator. Please consider it a digital library. Thank you for raising it. Thank you so much, teachers, for your kind words. Before taking more question or time, I just want to thank you, ma'am, for conducting such a beautiful session for our teachers, creating such a beautiful library and show it that how they can create it with such a live hands-on experience. So thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you, sir. I want to thank all the teachers for so much cooperation and your appreciation. Thank you so much. So I hope I'll conduct much more sessions so I can share my knowledge. Yeah, thank you.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, why not? And teachers, thank you so much for your lovely participation, for your questions, suggestions, and your thoughts as well. It surely helped us to create such a quality session for all of you. I'm just going to share the schedule of our upcoming sessions as well. Please do explore the list of our session and book your seats right now. And okay, just a second, teacher, just a second. Yeah, great. And I'm also sharing a link for a WhatsApp channel. So we have created a community of WhatsApp community where we share our regular updates about the classes. We also started sharing some newsletters, some updates about our expert teachers. So please do join our group as well if you haven't. I'm just going to share the link in the chat. Just a second, teachers. Yeah. And please do also share the link with your peer teachers as well. Let them know about us and ask them to join our live classes as well. Help us to reach out to the larger community. And yeah, and thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, just ending the poll now. So there are no more questions, ma'am. I can see from here. I can see most of the question you have answered perfectly. Thanks, Prachi, ma'am. Thanks, Kriti, ma'am. Thank you so much, everyone. Shipra, ma'am, there is no attendance link. We have already saved the attendance of the teacher, their participation throughout the session, and based on that we will share the certificate on their email ID within 7 working days. Okay. No issue, man. Great. So thank you so much, teacher. I hope you have enjoyed our today's session, and we will see you upcoming session as well. Till then, you all have a great day and a great time. Bye bye, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yeah, Vandana ma'am, I have got the query from some of the teachers, and we are talking to the team to resolve this issue. If you face any issue in like registering any one of the session, please do reach out to us at teacherclass.org. Okay. Or you can also WhatsApp us on the number of, like, let me share the number. Okay, this is our WhatsApp number. So please do reach out to us this number, share your query, we will surely look out into it. Okay. Yeah, everyone can leave if you have participated in the poll and check out the links as well. You are welcome to leave. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shipra ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity, sir. Thank you so much for cooperation.